Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I hope that this video is finding everybody doing well today. Today is March the 19th, 2019. I am just here for a little life update for you guys. I have been MIA for probably 2 to 3 weeks now, and I'm just here to tell you why, and that I will be back very soon. Please be patient with me. Please, continue to support my channel. It means a lot to me. I love both of the communities that I'm in, and this was just something that was beyond my control. What happened about 2.5 weeks ago, my mom was not feeling well. She thought it was her asthma, or she was told she had asthma about a year ago. And she started getting well, she heard, that's what she said, across her chest. And then it subsided. And a couple of days later, in the evening, she didn't want to, she ate, but she ate very little, which was unusual. She was complaining of that hurting across her chest. Well, early the next morning, my dad took her to the hospital. She wanted to go to the hospital because she was wheezing and her chest was rattling. And so I get a call. Well, I knew she was going. So they called and told me that they had found 2 heart attack scars, and one being as recent as it would have been that night, the night before, or during the night. So she had ended up over a 2-day period of time having 2 small heart attacks. And so they were going to do an angiogram on her. They would put a stent in, and they tried that, and they couldn't get the stent in. So they did a triple bypass on her. She came home 8 days later, which would have been last Monday. This is the 19th, so yesterday, Monday, would have been the 18th, so it was the week before. She came home, or she came home on a Saturday, but she seemed very lethargic to me. I mean, I'm not an expert on triple bypass, but she seemed very lethargic. She was like staring. She just was off. And it continued to get worse. Monday night, she got really, really bad. She was here. She was in the bathroom, because I'm helping to care for her. She came out of the bathroom and she said, oh, I'm really lightheaded. And so I ran over to grab her to, get her back to her chair. and she just kind of declined from there. And so I called the ambulance about probably about 11:30ish, maybe 11:45 that night. And because when she was talking very slow, very low voiced. Her eyes were shut, and she was just saying, "I don't feel good." And so they came, they took her back to the hospital, and what that was she had had the 2 heart medicines, or trying to remember what my dad said. It was either the 2 new medicines they gave her, or it was one of the heart medicines and one of the medicines she was just taking for stuff she's been taking forever, interacted and caused her pulse and her blood pressure readings to drop. When they got here, her pulse, I think, was 40. And I can't remember what the other was, but they were very low. So they kept her in the hospital until Thursday. So she has now been home for, well, since Thursday, and this is Tuesday. She is 90% better than she was when she got out of the hospital the first time. So much better. She's eating. She wasn't wanting to eat or anything. So anyway, that is the reason for my lack of videos and not doing them. And I just wanted to make you guys aware that I'm still out here, still doing good, just I'm taking care of my mom right now. I am cross-stitching away every day. That has really, the cross-stitch and the crochet have really helped with my stress. You know, taking care of her and through all of her bumps in the road and just all of this, and I can just sit down, I can cross stitch. The crocheting has helped in the evenings when I crochet, and so I've got a lot of stuff to show you guys because I have been working, and I think I've been working a little more on my stuff because it has been a great stress relief for me. So that is definitely true. Crafting of any kind, whatever you enjoy, you know, if you're in a situation where you're stressed or frustrated or whatever, your crafting is an amazing, amazing resource to help you get through stuff. So anyway, I am hoping that this coming week, maybe Sunday on, that I can start getting some videos out for you guys again. Like I said, just stick with me. I will be back. I appreciate your support. I do have a cross-stitch video coming up. I have a crochet video coming up. I have a mail call video coming up. I have my final ewe and lambs video coming up. They're all out in the pasture now. They're all running around, playing, having a good time. So I want to film that for you guys for this season. I got a small chicken coop that my son is going to build. It's like a kit that you put it together. Because I have 2 chickens that I got. I introduced them the same way as I introduce all my other chickens to the chickens, but they're, being picked on, and I don't know why. So I decided to get a little smaller coop to put them 2 in so that I can get my egg production back up, because the chickens that were laying don't want to come in and lay because those chickens are in there. So anyway, so I will show you that coop at some point. So that's my plan so far. So anyway, bear with me. If you guys are, if any of you are, you know, people of prayer, please say a prayer for my mom, that she continues to be on the road to recovery, and that she stays doing good like she is now. I think they've got everything straightened out. So quick prayer, positive thoughts sent her way. Her name is Marion. Would be much appreciated. So anyway, I hopefully will have a video for you sometime this coming week. And yeah, everybody take care. And I will see you soon.